Morning, everyone. So, kitchen people, good morning. So, we're walking at the beautiful estate of Nuvali. Back to our work talk, kitchen talk, if I may say. Trabaho tayo. Uh, we've been out for quite some time. Uh, life's changing, seasons are changing, and so that's where we went through. And we're back. And balik ulit tayo. So, good. We're already old and madalis na mapagod. We're back. We're here at Nuvali Estate. Just need to get some grocery errands. We're preparing for our QC drop-off tomorrow. So there, we just need to make sure that we get the ingredients first, prepare the day before. And there. Thank you so much for all those who ordered for the QC drop-off. Excited to see you and serve you guys. Morning once again. There you go. And so we're home. Hindi na ako naka-video kasi that was a lot of walking. Masyadong aalog-alog. And for today, we'll be making some choco banana loaves. Ayan. Pawisan pa tayo. Daming lakad. For some weird reason, it's so hot outside. But it's a good time to walk. Kasi burn some calories. So, we'll be making choco banana loaf and then lasagna. Ayan. Samahan niyo ako. So, this is the part na yan. Gawin na natin yung choco banana loaf. So, halo-halo lang. Naka-prep lahat ng ingredients para yung picture niya before. Ayan, madaming halo. Yan, no? So, yan, konti na lang. So, last part yung lagay natin yung mga yan, chocolates and then the walnuts. Then, yun. So, yung grease natin yung loaf pan niya para makarest pa rin yung butter niya. Kailangan, ano pa rin. Tapos, ito, lasagna na to. Preparation, medyo maraming layer to. This one is the sauce, yung red sauce niya. And medyo matagal yan. So haluin mo yan, mix mo siya, saute mo siya lahat. Ito yung mga ingredients na yan. And kailangan mo siyang patagalin na, slow cook siya ng mga at least an hour yung red sauce niya para talagang lumabas yung sarap ng sauce. Yan, konti na lang to. Salt, tomato sauce, that's diced tomato sauce. Diced tomatoes pala, hindi pa sauce. Meron din siyang ito, assembly na. So yun na nga, maraming layers sa assembly. So ilang layers sa this is for medium lasagna. And then meron tayong tatlong solo na ginawa for the QC drop off. Yan na yun, madami siyang lahok. So that's mushroom, beef, parmesan, mozzarella, cheddar cheese, tsaka yun yung sauce naman niya. Ayan, sige. Nakakamay po tayo, malinis sa kamay natin. Mahirap kasi yan pag naka-gloves. Ayun, malapit na matapos to. Ayun. Alright, konti na lang. We're done, almost. Last layer. Ayun. Lagay natin yung side na maliit kasi sayang sila para matakpan yung pinakaibabaw. Ito na yun. Last layering. Okay. Pinakaibabaw yung mornay. Yan, lagay natin siya. Tapos yan, last na yan. Salang na. Ito na, finished product. tayo sa Food Expo. Ayan. Masama ka, Bi. Ito parang kayang haluin ng isang napakalaking masa. Marami ng pasta si Madam.
Nabudol po ng idea.
Ito tayo sa World Food Expo.
Asia Food Expo.
Asia Food Expo. So ayan si Madam. Madam.
Hi!
So may dinaanan kami ng friend. Bisitahin niyo po sila. Allegro Beverages. Pero hanggang ngayon lang pala to. Ito ang pangarap natin na ang tinapay. Ganda. Ayun mga pang tinapay oh. This kind of oven. And trooper ata. Trooper. Ito oh. Chocolate.